Okay, I've actually added my own child to my Google Classroom so that I could see it from the student side. And this blue square is just hiding student names. And okay, so my kids had to do this homework, and it is a Google form, but I asked them to attach any handwritten work they did. So they would need to take a picture of it and then upload it. So that's, you're gonna add, and then potentially that could just be a file on their computer. It could also be something from their Google Drive. And in that case, it will most likely be the last thing that they worked on. So you would hit that and then hit insert. And then you can see here that it has shown up there, and then we're going to turn it in. I'm going to move my box for a second. Okay, there is other work my kiddos had to do. Make sure hopefully my box stays where it needs to be. And so like up here they had to do a warm-up. The warm-up was at just a not a random link, but it was a form, but not through Google. There's nothing for them to attach. In this case, I already had turned it in as my son, so let me go to the other one. Okay, because it's the same thing. I use this every day for my warm-up. There's nothing to attach, so in that case, you just mark it's done. And that's it for turning in work, so hopefully that was helpful.